Good morning. I am going to compare two people that everybody knows. Tom Cruise, who is an American actor, and in addition, he dedicates his time to the religious doctrine called Scientology, and Arnold Schwarzenegger, uh, who is from Austria, and he dedicates his time to politics in America. Although both are good actors, among them there is difference. Mm, physically, Tom is smaller than Arnold, a lot smaller, but Arnold is bigger and stronger than Tom. Arnold, Arnold's hair is not as dark as Tom's, and he is older than Tom. Tom is more handsome than Arnold, at least for me. Professionally, I think that Tom is better actor than Arnold is. Although Arnold works as much as Tom, I believe that Tom's movies are better than Arnold. That's it.